Let's dive into Pi Network. What is it, and why is it generating so much buzz? We're going to explore the core concepts behind this intriguing digital currency and understand its unique approach to cryptocurrency mining and accessibility. Pi Network proposes a new kind of digital money, one that aims to be more accessible and user-friendly than traditional cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum. It's designed to be a digital currency for the masses. The most distinctive feature? You can mine Pi right from your smartphone. This eliminates the need for expensive and specialized hardware, making it easier for anyone to participate in the network. Unlike Bitcoin, which needs expensive hardware and consumes vast amounts of energy, Pi Network offers a more sustainable and accessible mining process. This is a key differentiator in the crowded cryptocurrency landscape. Pi is designed for everyone, regardless of their technical expertise or financial resources. The goal is to create a cryptocurrency that is truly inclusive and accessible to a global audience. By simplifying the mining process and making it mobile-friendly, Pi Network is making crypto accessible to all, breaking down the barriers to entry that often exclude many from participating in the digital economy. The project was started by Stanford grads, bringing a level of academic rigor and credibility to the cryptocurrency space. Their backgrounds in computer science and social sciences inform the project's design and goals. Pi's mission is to build an inclusive digital economy, where everyone has the opportunity to participate and benefit from the value created within the network. This vision extends beyond just a cryptocurrency. It's about creating a new economic system. Getting started is simple. Just download the app from your app store, available on both iOS and Android devices. Once you've installed the app, tap once a day, and you're mining Pi. It's that easy. No complicated setups or technical knowledge required. The app is designed to be lightweight and efficient. No battery drain, no excessive data hogging. You can mine Pi without significantly impacting your phone's performance. Millions worldwide are collecting Pi, forming a global community of users who believe in the project's vision. This widespread adoption is a testament to the appeal of Pi Network's accessibility and ease of use. These users are hoping it'll gain real value as the network matures and the ecosystem develops. The potential for future value is a key motivator for early adopters, but it's important to note that Pi isn't on public exchanges yet. It cannot be traded on platforms like Coinbase or Binance. Currently, it's in an enclosed mainnet phase, a period of testing and development before a full public launch. During this phase, the focus is on building its own ecosystem, fostering the development of applications and services that utilize Pi. Right now, users are actively creating apps and marketplaces within the Pi network, exploring the potential of the currency. They are trading goods and services with Pi within this closed ecosystem, demonstrating its utility as a medium of exchange. The appeal? Getting in early? Being part of something from the ground up? It's like mining Bitcoin in 2010, when the cryptocurrency was still in its infancy and had very little value. However, it's crucial to remember that there are no guarantees. The future value of Pi is uncertain. But the chance to turn a daily tap into real value is a big draw for many, offering a glimpse of potential financial upside. Pi offers ordinary people a shot at the crypto revolution, a chance to participate in the digital economy without significant investment. And it does so without risking their savings, making it an attractive option for those who are curious about cryptocurrency, but hesitant to invest large sums of money. Ultimately, it's a low-risk, high-potential bet on the future of digital money, a chance to be part of a potentially transformative technology. So, you've got digital Pi coins? What does that mean for real wealth? Digital assets like Pi exist only online. Their value depends on what people believe they're worth. Tangible assets, gold, real estate, art, have intrinsic value and real-world uses. Gold, for example, is rare, useful, and has been valuable for centuries. The real goal? Turning digital assets into things that provide security and stability. True wealth comes from converting digital value into something you can hold or use. For Pi, the challenge is building that bridge from digital coins to real-world utility. Can you turn your Pi into gold, a car, or a home? That's the test for any cryptocurrency, moving from screen value to spendable, lasting wealth. The Pi community is working to make that leap a reality. Here's the big question. How do you turn Pi coins into real gold? Inside Pi's ecosystem, users have built digital marketplaces where everything is priced in Pi. Some vendors offer physical gold, bars, coins, jewelry, in exchange for Pi. They're betting Pi will be worth more in the future, while you get a timeless asset today. You're swapping digital effort for something with proven, lasting value. The price? It's set by the community, whatever buyers and sellers agree on. This peer-to-peer trading is where Pi's value is being forged, one deal at a time. It's a dynamic, grassroots economy, turning digital taps into tangible treasures. That's the magic moment. Digital coins become real gold in your hand. Let's walk through how a Pi user, say Alex, turns digital coins into gold. Alex mines Pi daily, completes KYC, and moves coins to the mainnet wallet. Alex browses Pi marketplaces, like Pi Chain Mall or social media groups, for gold vendors. After checking reviews and authenticity, Alex finds a vendor selling a 1-gram gold bar for 120 Pi. They agree on details, and Alex sends Pi to the vendor's wallet. The transaction is recorded on the Pi blockchain, secure and direct. Days later, Alex receives a certified gold bar in the mail. Digital coins mined for free have become a real physical asset. This process, mining, trading, receiving gold, happens entirely within Pi's ecosystem. It's a new way to diversify wealth, starting with a simple daily tap. Bitcoin, the undisputed king of cryptocurrencies, stands as a testament to the power of decentralized digital currency. It's the original crypto, the one that started it all, paving the way for countless others to follow. Its creation marked a paradigm shift in how we perceive and interact with money. Bitcoin is traded globally, 24/7 across numerous exchanges. Its price fluctuates based on supply and demand, influenced by news, regulations, and overall market sentiment. This global accessibility is one of its key strengths. It's relatively easy to buy and sell Bitcoin for cash through various online platforms and even some physical locations. The process has become increasingly streamlined over the years, making it accessible to a wider audience. Many investors choose to convert their Bitcoin profits into tangible assets, like gold. They sell their Bitcoin for cash, then use that cash to buy gold, viewing it as a safe haven asset in times of economic uncertainty. But you need to invest money up front to get Bitcoin. You have to purchase it on an exchange or from another individual. This initial investment can be a barrier to entry for some. Pi Network flips the script, offering a different approach to cryptocurrency acquisition. It presents an alternative model that aims to be more inclusive and accessible. Instead of requiring an upfront investment, you earn Pi with your time, not your money. By simply engaging with the app daily, you contribute to the network and are rewarded with Pi tokens. Pi isn't on public exchanges yet, meaning it cannot be bought or sold on the open market like Bitcoin. This is a deliberate design choice, allowing the network to focus on building its ecosystem and community. Instead, you trade directly with others for real assets like gold, goods, or services. This peer-to-peer exchange forms the foundation of the Pi network's economy. It's a peer-to-peer barter system, reminiscent of traditional economies where goods and services are exchanged directly without the need for intermediaries. It's not a cash-out process in the traditional sense. You're not converting Pi into fiat currency through an exchange. Bitcoin users sell BTC for cash on exchanges, then buy gold from dealers or individuals, adding a step in the process. Pi users trade Pi directly for gold within the community, streamlining the process and fostering direct connections. This creates a unique, self-contained economy where value is generated and exchanged within the network, fostering a sense of community and shared purpose. Bitcoin's value is set by global markets influenced by large-scale trading activity and macroeconomic factors. Pi's value is built from the ground up, one trade at a time, reflecting the collective effort and contributions of its members. Which is better? It depends on your goals, your risk tolerance, and your vision for the future of digital currency. Bitcoin is proven and liquid, with a well-established track record and readily available trading options. However, it requires investment, potentially limiting access for those with limited capital. Pi is accessible and experimental, offering a low-barrier entry point into the world of cryptocurrency. It's a novel approach, letting you earn assets with no cash risk, making it an attractive option for those who are risk-averse. Both Bitcoin and Pi, in their own ways, can get you real assets, whether through direct trading or conversion, but the journey is very different, reflecting contrasting philosophies and approaches to value creation and exchange. Pi is a new road, a different path in the cryptocurrency landscape. It's built by its community, step by step, brick by brick, trade by trade, shaping its own unique destiny. Before you jump in, know the risks. Pi is speculative, and there's no guarantee your coins will ever be worth much. If Pi never launches its open mainnet, your coins could stay locked and worthless. Trading Pi for gold is peer-to-peer, so scams are possible. Do your homework and start small. Crypto transactions are final. Once you send Pi, it's gone. The upside? If Pi succeeds, your free coins could gain real value. You're risking only your time, not your money. Plus, you'll learn about crypto blockchain and digital economies firsthand. Whether Pi succeeds or not, the experience is valuable in today's digital world. Ready to try Pi? Start by downloading the official Pi Network app from your app store. Sign up with your phone or Facebook using an invitation code from a friend or online. Tap the lightning bolt daily to mine Pi. Next, download the Pi browser app. This is your gateway to the Pi ecosystem. Create your Pi wallet and save your passphrase securely. Lose it, and your coins are gone. Complete the KYC process when invited, submitting your ID for verification. Once approved, your mined Pi moves to your mainnet wallet. Now you can explore Pi marketplaces and connect with other users. Look for opportunities to trade your digital coins for real goods, maybe even gold. It all starts with a simple tap and a bit of curiosity. You've mined Pi, passed KYC, and your coins are ready. Now what? Start small, buy something inexpensive to learn the process and test vendors. Research sellers. Look for positive reviews and transparent profiles. If a deal feels off, walk away. Trust your instincts. Understand consensus value. Prices are set by the community, so compare rates across platforms. Don't be afraid to negotiate. It's a peer-to-peer market. Always double-check wallet addresses before sending Pi. Transactions are final. Never share your wallet passphrase. No admin will ever ask for it. Use platforms with escrow services for added security. Escrow holds your Pi until you confirm you've received your item. With caution and research, you can safely turn digital coins into real goods. The key: start slow, stay smart, and protect your assets. Pi Network presents itself as a bold and intriguing experiment, a novel approach to digital currency. It's more than just another cryptocurrency. It's a social and technological initiative that aims to redefine how we perceive and interact with digital money. It envisions building a global digital currency, not controlled by corporations or governments, but powered by everyday people, just like you and me. This decentralized approach seeks to democratize access to digital finance, offering opportunities to individuals worldwide, regardless of their background or location. The core idea of potentially trading these free digital coins, earned through participation, for real-world assets like gold or other valuable commodities, is undeniably powerful and appealing. It sparks the imagination and raises the prospect of a new financial paradigm. However, it's crucial to acknowledge that the risks associated with such ventures are very real and should not be ignored. The world of cryptocurrency is known for its volatility and unpredictability. Pi's future trajectory remains uncertain, as with any new and developing technology. Its long-term viability and success are not guaranteed, and there are many factors that could influence its ultimate outcome. Furthermore, engaging in bartering and trading within a closed ecosystem, where the value is determined internally, requires a significant degree of caution and careful consideration. It's essential to understand the dynamics of this closed market before participating. Despite these uncertainties, millions of people around the globe are actively joining the Pi network, drawn by the potential upside and the promise of future value. The growing community reflects a strong belief in the project's vision. Many are also motivated by the opportunity to learn about the complex world of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology firsthand, gaining practical experience in a relatively low-risk environment. Pi offers a low-stakes entry point to explore the fundamental concepts of blockchain technology, digital wallets, and the intricacies of managing your own digital assets. It also provides a platform to experiment with peer-to-peer trading, allowing users to directly exchange value with one another without intermediaries. By actively participating in the Pi network, you are contributing to the collective effort of building a new digital economy from the ground up, shaping its future and potential applications. Whether you ultimately choose to actively use Pi as a form of currency, or prefer to invest in established cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, or explore the vast landscape of alternative cryptocurrencies, known as altcoins, the underlying lesson remains clear and consistent. True and lasting wealth ultimately lies in the ability to transform digital value into tangible assets, things you can hold and use in the real world. Therefore, always stay curious, diligently do your own research and due diligence, and approach any new financial opportunities with an open mind, but always maintain a healthy dose of critical thinking and a balanced perspective. The future of finance is rapidly evolving and transforming before our eyes, so embrace the opportunity to learn, adapt to these changes, and by doing so, you'll be well prepared and ready to navigate whatever comes next in this exciting new world.